Okay guys, I wanted to shoot you this quick video. I'm on my portfolio screen. I've expanded Binance. And as you can see, I've got 102 of this BUSD coin, okay, which is the Binance US dollar coin. It's a stable coin. And I can see that there's an arbitrage route available. So if I click that green button, I see this is the route. Okay, now it says it can do the route with the robot. So let's click on this view button. Now, when I actually look down here, I can see that it's all red. Okay, if I look in these two columns here, the profit and the ROI, if I look down there, it's actually all red. So there's actually no profitable deal because of the withdrawal fees. But what I do see is I can see that there's a profit to be made here. This number is obviously lower than this number, but it means that I would need both of the coins. Okay, so I'd need one coin on Binance that's in the trade, and I'd need the second coin that's in the trade already on HitBTC for me to carry out the trade. Now, at the moment, I don't know that until I buy it. So I've asked the programmers if they can give us some sort of indicator here to say, yeah, we've looked at your portfolio and you do actually have the coin, so that you could do the trade. Now, if I take this number and I pop it in here, and I take this number and I pop that in there, I can actually see that there's about 11 to 12% profit to be made, okay, providing I've got the second coin on HitBTC. So what I need to do is in this circumstance, because I don't know what the coin is, I need to buy the root. Well, I don't want to buy the robot one because I know I'm going to make a loss. I'm going to close that and I'm going to come over to the manual trades, and it's going to cost me $1. So I'm going to click view, and I'm just going to buy this root because I want to find out what this second coin is. So I've bought the root, so let's go and have a look at it on the My Root screen. So here's the root here, okay? So I'm going to view details. So what the trade is telling me, that I need this BSUD on Binance, which I already know I've got, and it's saying you're going to use that to buy Bitcoin. Now what it also is telling me, that on HitBTC, I need to buy this BSUD with my Bitcoin. So first off, I need to see if I've got any Bitcoin on HitBTC. So I'm on the My Portfolio screen, and let's go down to HitBTC. And as you can see, I've got $120 worth of Bitcoin. So I could actually do this trade and make the profit without doing any withdrawal. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. So what I need to do is to go to Binance and open up the Bitcoin market with this Binance USD. So I'll just copy that, and I've already opened up Binance. So I'm on Binance and I need to choose the market. So I'm going to go down to this Binance USD, which is there, and I want the Bitcoin with that. So I just put in there BTC, and now it's showing me the market. So I'll click on that. So what I want to do is to buy Bitcoin. So I'm going to choose 100%. Okay. So I'm actually going to use this much Bitcoin. Okay. That's the amount of Bitcoin. So I need to copy that amount, and I need to go over to HitBTC, and there it is. So now I'm on the correct market on here, and I go down the screen. Let's go back over to Binance. So if you can see here, I've got 102, okay, 102. And so what I need to do is click buy. So it says my order's been submitted. So the first thing I want to do is to see if it actually, the order gets done. Open orders, So yes, I can see that my burst value's gone down now. Can you see that? It's got 6 cents left. They always leave you that little bit. So that's gone now. So I've exchanged that into Bitcoin. So now what I need to do is to come here and click on buy. So I've placed my order now because the first order I did, this one down here, part of it filled. So I cancelled that and set the new order. And I'm just going to leave it in this order book here to see how that does, and I shall come back to it later. And the time now is 12 minutes past 1 in the afternoon on Monday the 11th. So now if we look here, I did this is the 11th of November. I did a market order. It just expired. It just means it couldn't fill the order. Did another market order, expired, couldn't fill the order. So I did a limit order, okay, and I put in that limit order got partly filled, so I got $4.26 out of it, roughly. So I cancelled that, placed another market order to see if that would work, and it didn't. That expired. And then what I did was I placed a limit order and I waited, and that limit order is now completed. So as you can see here now, if you look at the top of the screen there, I've got 106.53 of this BSUD. So let's go back over to Johnny Blockchain and see what I started with. So here we are on my portfolio. I haven't refreshed this screen since I've done the trade. I just wanted to keep it so you could see what I had, and obviously again it's in the beginning of the video. So I had 102.24. okay, so if I go here and put the original number 102.24, let's just check that, 102.24. And then if I look at my HitBTC account, I've actually got now this number here, which is 106. If I click on that, then I'll be able to copy it there, 106.53. So I'll take that over to here, pop that into the top number. So I've actually made an ROI after the trading fees and whatnot, because I did a couple of more than one trade there. So I actually made an ROI of 4.2%. So how fantastic is that? That's real arbitrage. I didn't have to withdraw, didn't have to wait for the blockchain. I just bought and sold on one exchange and bought and sold on the second exchange to make a profit. So I've ended up with more of that Binance USD coin than what I started with. I started with 102 and I've now got 106. Fantastic. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video. And once you've done that, remember to click on the bell icon. This will make sure that you get notified when I upload a new video. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.